Hello everybody. In this tutorial I am going to tell you two basic things of Photoshop, that is how to create a simple button, and in the next phase I will show you how to create chocolate, a piece of chocolate inside Photoshop. You can use any version of your choice of Photoshop, but right now here I am using Photoshop CC. So let me start. Here now I go to File, New. Here I am giving width 600 pixel and height is 600 pixel. Here now I am using the gradient tool. Here I have chosen the gradient tool. Now the color is red and white. I am choosing something different here. See, click OK here. Now as I drag, I am able to create a gradient inside the file that I have chosen. The manner in which I drag, the gradient actually flows in that direction. That is the real rule of gradient. You know that gradient, the definition of gradient is it starts with one color and ends with another color. So the manner of dragging is very important here. As I drag from top to bottom, the gradient flows in that direction. Similarly, when I move from left to right, the flow also goes in that direction. That is why you use gradient. So let me start how to create a button. Go to File, New. The width is 600, height is also 600 here. Now here on the layer palette I want to create a separate layer. It is very important. Then here from the selection tool I am choosing elliptical murky tool. If I hold down Shift key and Alt key as well, it creates a perfect circle. If I press the down arrow key, it moves towards the downward direction. I am now pressing the right arrow key, so it is almost at the center of the file. Now it is on a separate layer. Now I am taking this gradient tool. Here the color here is, right now the gradient color is red, yellow and again red. So now I am holding down the Shift key and dragging from bottom to the top. Now I am dragging a bit longer. Now we are having just two colors. Now press Ctrl D to deselect. Now we have created a perfect circle here with gradient text color applied to it. Now I put the layer onto its new layer here. You see the output. You will get another copy of the existing layer. Now we are having two shapes. Now I am taking the move tool. You see we are having two shapes right now. So Ctrl T, press Ctrl T. Now you will get the transform tool selected. Hold down the Alt and Shift key and move inward so that it will become smaller. Now press the enter key. Now we are having two circles, one inside the other. Now hold down the Control key click on the thumbnail here. Now the outer part of the second layer will be selected. Now again take the gradient tool. Now hold down the shift key and hold down the shift key and drag from top to bottom. Now press Ctrl D to deselect. Now you see we have already created a good looking button. That is very easy to do. If you remove the make this top layer invisible, you see nothing very special, but once you add it with the background or this button layer, you are seeing a very beautiful button. So that is it, very simple to do. If you want, you can press Ctrl E. Once the job is done, you will merge these two layers so that you can move it to any place of your file. Now we have created a button. That is it. So this is the way we can create a button here. So the process is very simple. You can do it if you know the basic idea of Photoshop. Thank you very much. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to create chocolates inside Photoshop. Thank you very much for watching my tutorial.